Hey guys, so I've had 3 Crucial solid state drives since about 2017. This one is a replacement for a 2TB SSD which I bought in 2017. I paid about 400 quid for. They're about £200 now, so obviously the price has gone down. But with this I had loads of bad errors, bad blocks or whatever, using various applications on my Mac. These include Soft RAID, DiskWarrior, which you have to pay 100 quid for, and there's no refund for that if you don't really need it. So basically I sent this back to Crucial after about a week, 10 days. I got a replacement drive. So this is just a demonstration of what you get when you get a return drive from Crucial. You just get it in a jiffy bag. It's sent by raw mail. There's no recordedness to it, I don't think. So let's take a look and see what the drive's like. There are 2 other drives as well which are showing bad blocks, but I think I might just maybe just wait for them to fail, because they're all working fine. They're just reporting that there's bad errors. So I would maybe go for Samsung next, Samsung Pro fail-less. It's an MX500. The drive it's replacing is a 300, so it looks like it's just brand new. So I've got about another year left. So this has got a 5-year warranty, so I'm not sure what my original drive, what will happen. And I did pay 400 quid for, so you would hope they will replace it. That'd be nice of them. So let's just open this up. Get started. Yeah, I'm not sure. It's upside down. That's a bit amateurish, isn't it? So I will probably get a Samsung once these fail. Once this fails. But who knows? This is a 500 model. That's new. This stuff here looks like it's. I don't remember seeing that on the 300. So we got that drive, and yeah.